Like last night, we did a HelloFresh meal, which was like it was almost like a chicken. It's like an Italian chicken cheesesteak almost, but I didn't put mine on the hoagie like our family did. I just did mine with the sauteed chicken and the onions and peppers. I ate it like that with a couple of potatoes on the side that I did in the oven. So, I substituted, and, even though on some meals when we do eat things that may have a lot of carbs, I remove the carbs or I substitute the carbs. And that's something I learned from coming here and, knowing how and when to eat certain things and how to replace them to get that same fullness. And I was just as full as they were, and I didn't have that big hoagie bun and all that extra stuff that they had. So it was
Now
good.
you got to work on them.
Oh yeah, yeah. I told my wife that there's gonna be a Netflix 2 coming out soon.
Yep.
So I already got it in her mind. So well, I can't come in 11 o'clock every day. I was like, oh, don't worry. Brett said on the new one, you could come in at any class. So there's no excuse,
That's
right?
great.
So I already gave her a little preview,
right.
coming soon to a
love
gym near you, Netflix 2. The
Yeah,
next
well,
season.